Hey everybody, it's that brown car guy back here for another video. And I haven't been making any videos the past few months. I got busy with work and things like that, but I'm back here with another car. Here's the project for today. 2018 Subaru Crosstrek. I'm gonna be tinting the windows, doing a detail, exterior and interior, just to get this thing freshened up and tinted up. Right now it's a fishbowl. Well, the back is factory tinted, but the front you can see right in it and right out of it. I guess that's what you want, but you know, you don't want it to be super visible from the outside. I'm gonna be doing 5% up front. I'll tint the little window right here, and then in the back we're gonna do 20 in the back. So the factory 20 and the 20 on top of it will measure 5. And then we'll give this thing a deep wash, and then we will clay it, wax it, dress everything up. Interior, we'll clean it up as well. Needs a good scrub down. Mash need to be taken out and scrubbed. All this stuff needs to be cleaned up. Nooks and crannies. No, it's not bad in here at all. It just needs to be freshened up. Oh yeah, not bad at all. This is our project. Should take about, I don't know, 5 to 7 hours, but it'll come back really nice once it's finished. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it in the shop and get started tinting it. Get a little Oreo break right here. Oh yeah. If you put Oreos in the freezer, it's the best. It's the best. Well, slight change of plans on this one. Customer called and said that he only wants 20% on the front windows and the 5 strip, but doesn't want anything on the back. He just wants the fronts to match the back, which is all good, no problem. I have the 5% already printed out for the front, but I just saved that for another Crosstrek. Well, it's time to redo everything and get these front windows tinted up. All right, got the Subaru all tinted up front, match the back. It's like a perfect match. Did a 5% sun strip, and it looks awesome. I'm a fan of blacking out the entire car. I know I got excited whenever that was the original plan, but it's all good. Came out real nice. Now, it got dark on me a little bit, but I got everything set up outside to wash this thing. We're about to detail it. A little more than just a wash. You know, I gotta scrub the tires, wheel wells, take that sticker off. It's got some streaks. That'll come off. Gotta get the dealer sticker residue off. But it'll come on nice. Interior. Get it all cleaned up. Well, let's go ahead and wash this thing. All right, Subaru is washed. I kind of screwed up a little bit. I had the car outside, I had the GoPro outside, and I had the GoPro set on time-lapse photo instead of time-lapse video. So I just got a bunch of time-lapse pictures of me washing this thing, and that wasn't my plan. But it's inside, it's still wet. I'm about to dry it, and then I'll clean all the door jambs, dress the tires, clean up the engine bay, then I'll clay bar it to remove some contaminants that I see that's on top of the surface. Then we'll wax it and get it all shiny and looking good. I'll do the interior. So I'm gonna get to it. All right, 7.5 hours later, and the Crosstrek is finally finished. And it looks fantastic. Check this thing out. Oh yeah, much better. It's like a whole different car. Well, it's midnight. I definitely was here longer than I expected to be. However, it came out really nice. I'm super happy with the car. And I need to get home and get some sleep. This car definitely killed me a little bit. But I'm going to call it quits on this video. Let me know what you thought about it. Any questions? Like, comment, subscribe. and look forward to more of these type of videos in the future. Thank you.